This here is the future bench. My bench have been hot. Going to the barn. Huh? Going to the barn. It's sawed up. I figured the hunters back. I figured the hunters would be back out.
Well, they got you got three. That one got three of them. You probably don't want to eat no more.
Yeah. I think Mom got one too.
Yeah, a couple of chunks like that for the legs.
Yeah.
Okay,
I think about 4 foot would be good.
Huh?
I'll go up and measure, make
you go
sure.
up and measure that while I'm gonna get my cord out.
Okay, well, I'm going to check and see if we have eggs.
Huh?
I'm going to check and see if we have eggs.
Yeah, there's eggs in there.
Now, what are you guys coming running in here for? Huh? Huh? Why you come running in here? Because I'm in here. Let's see if we got some eggs. Oh, 2, 1, 2. Oh, 3, 4, 5. And I didn't bring my basket. 1 on the nest. Hello, lady. 2 more. Okay, I'll be back later to get some more. I don't know why y'all follow me in here. You got food. Water. Hey, I'm going back out. I'm going back out. You're noisy. You're noisy. You noisy lady? Huh? Yeah. Hello, honey. Hello, baby. Love my ladies. Here's the chickens coming out. Gotta see what you're doing.
How long?
Between 4 and 4.5 feet.
May not be any good stepping down there on that end.
Termites have been on it.
If you get me a ruler. Get me a ruler.
Did you get some hay? Did you fellas and ladies get hay? I know you got some cake today too. Oh, I think I'll walk out and see Jenny and Sid. Seriously, I gotta be careful going across here. Hey, Sid. Jenny. What are you guys doing? Not interested in me? Come here. Come here, Sid. Hi, Jenny. It's been so cold I haven't been out for a long time. Hello, lady. Hello, baby. Hey. Here comes sitters. Comes my sitters. What you been doing? Hi, Sid. Hello. Hello. What you been doing? You guys just been hanging with the cows? Hey, don't nip, Sid. You don't have to be jealous. Don't have to be jealous. No. Okay. She's mad. She's gonna go eat the hay. You're not supposed to be following me out here. Okay. I'm gonna go back up and watch you build my bench a little bit. Hey, ladies and boys. Now they're coming up here. Chicken in the hay. Hope she can get out. I guess she can. What are you doing? Oh boy. Chicken in the hay. Get two chickens in the hay. Here comes the third one. It's chilly out here. Pretty color to it. I think he found a piece. Can't get. It's not gonna show.
I need a pencil. I gotta walk up there and get me a pencil. That just ain't. We'll be going to your funeral.
I keep chasing cars. You're gonna. Now, can you fix that?
What's that?
How do you work with this?
That's the good one. Hot damn. Got the good one right. I was afraid it was that one.
You're ringing. Well, we didn't get the log bench finished because it turned dark, and the next day the church called and they asked us if we wanted the bench that he had built them, quite a while back, probably 4 or 5 years ago, that they decided they didn't need it, and they wanted to see if he wanted it back, and we took it. I thought he was worried about it being a little too big, and it is bigger than the one that he was building for me. I think this one's probably 7 foot or something like that. And the one he was building for me was only going to be a 4 foot bench, but this worked. It fit on the wall fine, and as you can see, I've already been sitting there and pulling my boots off and sticking them underneath there. And then I want to go out to let the chickens out or something, because we have snow. You can't see, but we have snow, and it's pretty deep. I need my boots. But I like it. And then he did build this one. My husband did build this one. And we put it in here instead. Now he'll still finish the other one, and I think I'm going to take it and put it where we have the pool table. Put it in there. So I wanted to show you not the finished project that he started, but he did build this one too. And I love it. And it works well.